Now, most of us do from time to time marketing where we're going to do a just listed postcard, just sold, just pinned it into a neighborhood. Common, good, nothing wrong with it. It's effective. You've done it. I've done it. But what if we had a little bit of a different twist on it? I'm going to give you two different twists on it right now. The first is a pre-listing letter before you come in to the listing, and the listing is taken or it's about to be taken. Your sellers have given you permission that they're going to put it on the market. Maybe they're tweaking something, they're getting it ready, and you know the listing's coming. Now you can do a pre-listing letter into the market which says, hey, I'm going to be taking a listing in the next week. I've done a lot of deep data research on the area. You're going to notice some increased activity coming soon. So I thought I'd reach out and just offer my services. If you've ever considered selling, now that we're going to have another listing coming up available in the market in the next week, it could be a great time to list your property as well. Please reach out to me if you'd like to explore that conversation. So imagine you sending a pre-listing letter to the neighborhood. Because you've already done the deep research, they may really appreciate that conversation. You could also say, I'm going to be in the area several times this week. Pick a time that would be comfortable for you. So that's one. And then you don't tell them the neighbor that's listing. That's also another reason for them to call you. It may spark curiosity. Second thing we can do is once the property is listed, when we do a traditional just listed, just pinned, just sold, we might put a little twist on that and go with a first person approach. The first person approach is we say, we're speaking in terms of the client instead of ourselves. In other words, we might say, hey, we listed our home with, and it's as if the seller's saying it, we listed our home with Jim Remley at ABC Real Estate, and we're so excited to have the house on the market. Obviously, you're going to tell your seller you're going to do this. Or if you're working with the buyer, you can say, hey, we worked with Jim Remley at ABC Real Estate who helped us purchase our first home in this neighborhood. We're so excited, right? Or you could say, you know, we've invested in a property using Jim Remley at ABC Real Estate. We're excited to be buying our first rental. Or you could say, you know, we have a new address at 123 Johnson Street because of Jim Remley. We're so excited. So lots of ways you can put a twist on it. And clients are much more likely to look at that and read it because it's not coming from the realtor. It's coming from the client themselves. Great twist, different approach. If you're looking for a different approach to your business altogether, we have an intensive 16-week coaching system every day for 16 weeks. I'm working with you to develop your business and really transform you over that period of time. We add in live coaching elements as well. And 2 weeks is free. Once you start, you can just try it out, see if it's a good fit for you. It's one of the most affordable coaching programs in the country. I hope you come and check it out. Have a great day and good selling.